Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in a clean workflow. Duplicate the audio track so you keep an original safety copy. Then select the clip and open the Essential Sound panel. Tag the clip as dialogue so Premiere shows noise controls. Make a 3-5-second selection of background-only audio so you can hear and compare changes. Once done, set the playback to loop. This lets you preview adjustments in context. Make sure system audio is at a normal level so you're not masking subtle artifacts. You'll now reduce the unwanted background. First, nudge the noise reduction slider in Essential Sound between 10 and 30%. Listen carefully and undo if the voice thins. If noise persists, add the denoise or adaptive noise reduction effect from Effects. Start with conservative settings and increase until noise drops without introducing warble. Make sure to use a high-pass filter around 80 to 120 Hz to cut low rumble that doesn't belong to speech. Keep toggling bypass to compare before versus after. Finish by balancing and polishing the cleaned audio. First, normalize or use the loudness radar to aim for approximately -16 LUFS for dialogue. This keeps levels consistent. Then apply gentle EQ. A modest boost around 2 to 5 kHz brings intelligibility back, and a small cut between 300 and 600 Hz removes muddiness. If you hear pumping or metallic artifacts, reduce the noise reduction amount or round-trip the clip to Adobe Audition for spectral repair. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.